Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. While we all wait Perplexity AI to take over Google, they have released a model called as Sonar, which we are going to review in this video. Sonar is an in-house AI model by Perplexity designed to deliver top-notch answer quality and user experience. We are not only going to review what this model is, but also we are going to try it out on few of the benchmarks. Interestingly enough, this model has been built on top of Llama 3.3 70 billion. It has undergone additional training to enhance answer factuality and readability. If you have used Perplexity AI, then you might have noticed that they are very big on citations and where exactly the answers are coming from, which is quite a good thing. Sonar is a cutting edge AI model which has been optimized for search and answer generation. It's designed to provide fast, accurate, and readable responses to users' queries. Sonar's architecture is based on Llama 3.3, which makes it more guardrail oriented, and this has been then further fine tuned for improved performance. One thing which jumps out about this model is that it has beaten Claude 3.5, GPT-4o, and even Claude 3.5 Sonnet specifically on few of the benchmarks, which is a bit surprising for me. So I'm very keen to try it out on few of the benchmarks. Another thing is about its speed. So it delivers answers at an incredible 1200 tokens per second, making it nearly 10 times faster than comparable models, and that is I'm going to check out too. Sonar has been optimized to provide accurate and factual responses grounded in search results. Sonar also generates concise and detailed answers with proper markdown formatting for organized text. And as I said, the benchmarking looks quite interesting to me. As you can see in this video, when it comes to model speed, plus you can also check it out on some of the heuristics and other rubrics where it has been doing quite well. So let's try to check it out how it works, and then we will see if there are any water in these claims. All you need to do in order to test it is to go to perplexity.ai, sign up with your free Google account or any other account, and you should be able to use it for free. They have a free tier and then they have a pro tier. I'm not going to go into the pro tier because I'm just using it to test it out. Now, in order to test it, all you need to do is to just simply log in and start using it. From this drop down, you can go with Pro Search, but of course, there is a limit on this one where I think you can just do 3 or 4 Pro searches. It has more detailed answers, more citations, and that sort of stuff. There is also a deep research which you can do, which is primarily more reasoning. And then if you want, you can even use DeepSeek model, which is hosted in US instead of elsewhere. You can even use GPT-4 OpenAI's O3 mini with it quite easily by just selecting from this drop down. I'm just going to go with auto because Sonar has already been integrated into it, and you can check it out by clicking on this bottom left setting icon where your profile is, and then if you just scroll down you will see the AI model is being used, the Sonar here, which I'm going to go with the default one. So let's click on home, and then let's see how it performs on few of the searches. Okay, so first up, I'm just going to ask it who is Fahad Mirza from Australia. Now, let's see if it is able to find me or not. Let's see here. Sonar speed, there you go. So it has found me quite well. Not only the text about me, but also it has found about my my information which is publicly available from LinkedIn and various other sources. So there you go. So I think it has just pulled my LinkedIn profile, and then it is talking about this is actually quite interesting. This is always surprises me. You see, it has gone through my website, which is fahadmirza.com too, and then it has pulled out some of the information. But this is what I really like. It has given you a bit more questions to ask, like what conferences has Fahad Mirza spoken at. So if I click on this, it is just going to get that targeted information. Now, this one, I haven't even mentioned it on my website yet, but for somehow it was able to get that information. And this was quite old. So if I just click here, and there was one hallucination too. So this is where I spoke, but if I go back, you see, it says, sorry, it said that this is the wrong result because I haven't spoken there. I think this is some other person who has spoken there. So this is where it has made the mistake, but rest of it is correct. So it is not 100% correct. Make sure that you always look through the fluff, um, because Perplexity, prides themselves in accuracy and uh, to avoid hallucinations, but you can clearly see that it is hallucinating here. This answer is I have never been there, and it has just given some other Fahad Mirza. Okay, but rest of it is quite cool, as you can see. Now another thing is that you see that it has also placed the citations there. So for example, this is the one uh, by MVP information. So if I click here, this is just going to load that MVP profile, hopefully. There you go. So Alibaba has been gracious enough to award me most valued person just a couple of months back. Very grateful to them. I think that comes on the back of the Cohen model coverage which I did, which is amazing model, by the way. Anyway, so you see that Perplexity is doing quite well, but it's not perfect. So this is one thing I want you to take away from this video, that don't trust AI model blindly. Always do your due diligence. But other than that, looks quite good to me. Okay, let's try out one of the reasoning one. So in the next one, I'm asking it that should I buy VDHD stock in Australia? You can just give any other stock. This is just a sample. At its current price or not. I know you're not a financial advisor, but still I want your opinion if I should buy it or not at its current price. Do your research, think carefully, and then give me the specific answer. Don't make it generic. So I'm just going to select this, and from here maybe I will just go with the uh, deep research, and then press enter here. While it searches it, it is doing its research. You see, it's doing its deep research. Let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Agent Bot. Agent Bot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, let's go back. So it is just talking. It is thinking that I need to research this. I found detailed information about this, including its current price range, which is nice. The ETF is currently trading near its 52 weeks high with strong returns over the past year and a diverse. So it is doing pretty well. So far, so good. So it is going through all these websites wherein the speed is quite good. It says it is showing mixed signals. Potential minor correction. And it has correctly identified that is a long term. So I will let it run for a while and then we will see what it does. And you can even enable the test of notifications. But anyway, I'm not going to do that. It is still going strong. It is searching, it is reading, it is analyzing the data. So pretty good, I would say. This is something you won't get at Google or any other search engine. So this really separates Perplexity um, from the Google and rest of the lot, but I think they're a bit expensive. Anyway, so let's wait for this one to come back. The deep research is still going on. It's been around 15 minutes and it is still reading and searching. So let's hope that it comes up with something real valuable. Okay, so here is the thing. It's been 2 hours and it is still running. Yes, and I'm not exaggerating at all. It is still doing its deep research. I hope that it is not stuck there. But anyway, I will let it run in the background while I do other stuff. And I will let you know in the comments if it gives me any, what sort of response it gives me. So that's it. Let me know what do you think about it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.